Alright, welcome back. Time to talk about how to highlight blank cells and sort columns with them. So let's dive in. In this worksheet, we have three columns. The first is the country of the employee. The second is the name, and the third is the age. We didn't want to repeat each country many times, so we eliminated them. For example, these employees are all from Australia, and these ones are from France, etc. If we print the table from File tab and print it, it will look better. Nothing wrong. By now, the problem starts if we sort the data. The name, for example, because Stewart is from Australia. Now highlight column B and click A to Z button from Data tab. Click the Sort and Filter button. Sort A to Z and make sure that the expanded selection is selected. Click the Sort button and let's find Baker Stewart. We don't even know from which country he is, so the empty cell created is a problem because of the sorting. Of course, let's undo this with Ctrl+Z. So we need to fill them. We need to fill these cells with the actual country. We got to find an easy way to select only the blank cells. From this column, click on column A, go to Home tab, choose Find and select, go to Special, and from this dialog box select blanks and OK. We can either press F5 and it will open the same dialog box. Look at the gray cells. They are the only blank cells until the end. Now we want the empty cell to be equal to the cell above it. Let's tap equal A2 and be careful. Press Ctrl Enter because with Enter it will change only the A3 cell. You completed the first step to fill the cells with the equivalent countries. But all these cells are formulas, as you can see. How do we convert them into pure text? Pay attention now to this fantastic trick. Select column A with the mouse right click. Drag the entire column right to column B without releasing the right mouse button. Left. Now release the right button and from this menu select copy here as values only. It turns the formulas into results, into text. Click and we are done. Now we finish our job. I hope you find this lecture helpful, and if you have questions, please post them onto the discussion board. I will be more happy to answer them.